Hi everyone. Today we're going to be solving all the questions for the weekly contest of 384 just ended. Yeah, so I'll be uploading 3 videos for all the solutions, and one video will be including two questions, which are going to be the number of sub-arrays that match a pattern 1 and the number of sub-arrays that match the pattern 2. Okay, these two questions solutions are going to be in the single video. Okay, so yeah, let's begin with our first question. The first question is nothing but it just wants us to remove all the minus ones and replace the minus ones from the maximum value in the column. So that's a very simple question. We can just solve it using brute force method and using two for loops. As you can see here, I've already written the code, so I'll be just explaining you the code, or I should rather rewrite it. Okay, so what do we need first? First off, we just need a for loop for traversing in our columns. So for j in range mat of 0. We'll just be replacing this matrix with a mat just for convenience, and then we're gonna be declaring a max that's going to be storing -1 initially, just to determine the maximum value in the column. We are declaring a value max, and which will be updating in the following for loop. So for I in range of len of matrix, mat, yeah, and mx is going to be equals to max of mx of mat of I, j, and mx, right? So now we have the maximum value in our column, and now what we need to do, we need to replace all the minus ones with the maximum value. So yeah, for that we need another for loop. For yeah, here is gonna be I, for I in len of mat, yeah, and if mat of I j is equals to -1, then what do we need? We need to replace mat of I j with value of max, right? And we simply need to return mat at the end. So let's see, we have finished, and I think it's running properly. Let's try to submit it. We do have a successful submission. Now stay tuned for the next solution. I'll be uploading it right after I upload this video. Okay, thank you for watching.